front of me is LENOVO Tab Plus 11.5 and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder. Begin by locating Recorder app and tapping on it. Then select this blue button at the bottom in the middle to start recording. If you never used Recorder before, make sure to tap on while using the app and allow in the pop-ups. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the same button. To add a bookmark, unpause your recording and click on this left button. To end it and save it though, click on the check mark on the right. Then you need to tap on those three lines at the top right corner. And as you can see, my recording is over here. To play it, click on it. To rename it, hold it. Select rename at the bottom, type in wherever you want to, and choose finish. To get rid of it though, you need to hold it again, but this time choose bin icon on the left and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!